Hi everyone. Scale formulas are a convenient means of viewing differences of intervallic structure between scales, arpeggios and modes, and of constructing them. The main point to remember is these formulas are related to the major scale and not the scale, arpeggio or mode type which you are trying to construct. For example, the formula for the natural minor scale applied to a minor scale, in this case A minor, would produce the following incorrect note sequence. When applied to the A major scale, however, the following correct sequence of notes is produced. If we wanted to find the notes of D natural minor, we would apply the formula to the D major scale to produce the following notes, and so on. Using formulas in this way therefore tells us that the natural minor scale is the same as the major scale, except the 3rd, 6th and 7th degrees are lowered. The formula for the harmonic minor scale produces the following notes when applied, for example, to the A major and D major scales. Here we see that the 7th degree of both major scales are retained as the raised 7th of the harmonic minor scales. The formula for the ascending melodic minor scale when applied to a major scale retains both the 6th and 7th degrees, while the 3rd is lowered. Formulas are also used for arpeggios. For example, minor ninth arpeggios have the following formula. Half diminished 7th arpeggios have this formula, and diminished 7th arpeggios this formula. As mentioned previously, one reason for using scale formulas is to show structural differences. Here, for example, we know by looking at the formula that both of these arpeggios have the same intervallic sequence, except the diminished 7th arpeggio's 7th degree is also lowered. Of course, the same knowledge can be acquired simply by learning the intervallic relationships of the various scales, arpeggios and modes. However, scale formulas are also useful for quickly explaining the structure of less well-known scales and how they relate to more common types. The Hirajoshi scales formula, for example, can be used to construct a scale on different root notes and to compare its structure with the structure of common minor scales. In this way, we can see very quickly that the Hirajoshi scale has the same structure as the natural minor and harmonic minor scales, but lacks the 4th and 7th degrees. Formulas for modes are used in the same way as for other scales and arpeggios. The Mixolydian mode scale, for example, shows the Mixolydian mode structure is the same as a major scale, but with a lowered 7th degree. The Dorian mode's formula shows the Dorian mode is the same as the major scale, except the 3rd and 7th degrees are lowered, and so on. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.